good night's sleep is incredibly important for your health. In fact, it's just as important as eating healthy and exercising. Sleep is important because it enables the body to repair and be fit and ready for another day. Do you know there is a mathematical way to determine an ideal sleep time? The average sleep cycle is approximately 90 minutes long, and people should have 5 of these cycles to feel fully rested. If we take 90 into 5, it equals 450 minutes. When divided by 60, it equals 7.5 hours. In this video we are going to see 7 risks of sleeping less than 7 hours daily for young adults, and at the end of the video we will look at some of the easy and useful tips on how to fix your sleep routine. So without further delay, let's get started quickly with the risks of sleeping less. Number 1, weight gain. Poor sleep is strongly linked to weight gain. The effect of sleep on weight gain is believed to be mediated by numerous factors, including hormones and motivation to exercise. If you're trying to lose weight, getting quality sleep is absolutely crucial. Number 2, eat more calories. Poor sleep affects hormones that regulate appetite. Studies show that sleep-deprived individuals have a bigger appetite and tend to eat more calories. Number 3, low productivity and concentration. Sleep is important for various aspects of brain function. This includes cognition, concentration, productivity, and performance. All of these are negatively affected by sleep deprivation. Number 4, weak immune system. Even a small loss of sleep has been shown to impair immune function. One large 2-week study found those who slept less than 7 hours were almost 3 times more likely to develop a cold than those who slept more. Number 5, poor sleep is linked to depression. Mental health issues, such as depression, are strongly linked to poor sleep quality and sleeping disorders. It's been estimated that 90% of people with depression complain about sleep quality. Number 6, low physical performance. Less sleep duration has been associated with poor exercise performance and functional limitation. One study found that poor sleep was linked to slower walking, lower grip strength, and greater difficulty performing independent activities. Number 7, reduce your social skills. Sleep loss reduces your ability to interact socially. Sleep deprivation may reduce your social skills and ability to recognize people's emotional expressions. One study found that people who hadn't slept had a reduced ability to recognize expressions of anger and happiness. So these were the 7 risks of sleeping less than 7 hours daily. Let us see some simple and useful tips on how to work your way back to a good night's sleep. They are: curate your sleep environment by getting right with the light. Practice relaxation and meditation. Get daily exercise. Wear comfortable clothes. Try to eat early, that is, 3 to 4 hours before bed. Sleep is a vital, often neglected, component of every person's overall health and well-being. Along with nutrition and exercise, good sleep is one of the pillars of health. You simply cannot achieve optimal health without taking care of your sleep. I hope you find this video helpful. If you think this video might help someone fix their sleep, do share with them. Thanks for watching.